We are hoping that the Supreme Court can be able to rule in the favor of what the Kenyans voted wanted. But in the event that anything else happens, we are still telling you to stand with the government. But we are praying and hoping that this time we are going to have a swearing-in ceremony for the president in the next 2 or so weeks. It does not matter what people are demanding for. Sometimes we have to guard what is ours with anything that we have. And I'm telling the Christians, ikifika wakati wa kuswearing in President Uhuru Kenyatta, hata kama kutakuwa na wengine wanaswear in mwingine pale ingine, let us get all we have to protect peace in this country and protect our presidency. It does not matter how many numbers we are having. What matters is that we have to take the initiative to keep the peace in this country. Because if you compromise and say, let us give that Musmukat, that half government. Because when somebody says, let us have a transition government of 6 months, they're saying, let me get the opportunity to lead this country for 6 months. They're only going to be able to lead a country if that mandate is given you by the people who normally do that all the time. If they don't give you, you just have to contend with the people.